Dogs may require shampooing when they are dirty or have skin problems. Here are a few tips. You should choose a shampoo that's specifically formulated for pets so as not to attack their skin. For example, baby shampoos are too acidic. For normal skin, the shampoo will be selected depending on the length or color of the coat. For dogs with oily skin, dandruff, or skin allergies such as atopic dermatitis, ask your vet to recommend a specific treatment shampoo. It's advisable to comb long-haired dogs before shampooing, as this will help get the knots and the dead hair out. Another trick to avoid the risk of otitis tied to stagnant water is to protect their ears by placing a woven compress in the ear canal. Shampooing must be a pleasant moment for your pets. First of all, make sure by testing it with your hand that the water is lukewarm in order not to scald their skin or make them feel cold. Then you can wet their coat with a moderate spray, starting at the base of the neck and going all the way to the rump. Avoid getting water in their ears or around their nose or eyes. They might not appreciate it. Apply the shampoo on the coat and massage their back gently, but also their belly and paws, and don't forget their armpits and all the folds. Clean the area around the anus carefully, it's often soiled. Take your time and be gentle. Again, this moment should also be a time of relaxation and sharing with your pet. Make sure you rinse off your dog so as not to leave any residue on their coat and skin, which could cause irritation. That's easy to check. Just stop rinsing when only clear or transparent water flows from the hair. Draining your pet well is essential in order to avoid leaving water in areas sensitive to humidity. We are referring, of course, to the ears, but also to the skin folds, such as the armpits or groin. You can dry these particular areas by dabbing them with dry towels, but do not rub too hard as not to attack the skin. You can use a hair dryer at a moderate temperature only, otherwise you could burn the skin. Remember as well to dry the spaces between the paw pads to avoid germ proliferation. In the case of therapeutic shampoos, your vet will recommend a very specific schedule. Here we are only looking at the standard hygiene practices. How often you shampoo your pet depends on several factors. The activity. You do not shampoo a strictly indoor dog as often as one that is often out in the woods. Their coat. If your pet has a long coat or is light-colored, they will get dirty faster, so it's likely you will have to shampoo them more often. Basically, you should not shampoo your pet too often, as this could upset their skin balance and thus attack their skin. In any case, the state of the coat will be the deciding factor. If you find it's dirty, give them a wash and don't forget to reward them afterwards.